wild ride here, and this storm I think took people by surprise. They first were saying 1 to 3 inches, and then it changed apparently last minute to 3 to 5, which is not a lot, but it is when you don't plan on getting up and getting it cleared out. Even the town has barely plowed roads. Some of them are still blocked, but I always get up early enough to be where I need to be, early or on time. So we get ready to get on the highway here, and the roads are still probably have 2 or 3 inches of snow on them, and there's areas that have not even been plowed at all. So it's pretty bad, but we'll be fine. We're going to take our time, and we'll get there when we get there. You can see the speed on the Maine Turnpike here. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. It's down to 45. We're doing about 50. The conditions are pretty bad. So we won't go any faster than this really. I did have somebody pass me, and I've already passed somebody doing like 25, which is fine. Drive at what you feel comfortable with. Don't overdo it. That's how you get places safely. Now the key to driving in this snow like this is to make sure you have plenty of room to move, because I'm in a small vehicle. I do have 4-wheel drive, but the snow is deep enough that it pulls your vehicle left and right in these ruts from the drivers in front of you, and you need room to counter-react gently without making sudden jerks with your steering wheel. Otherwise, that's when you end up in a spin, or any number of things could happen. So if you can just kind of ride the ruts a little bit, let it wiggle your vehicle around without overreacting and not panicking, and you usually are pretty fine. So anyway, that's well, let me just turn those back on. That's what we're up against this morning. You see the plows are out up top there, and when I went to get gas this morning, I almost couldn't. They were plowing the parking lot, and the banking was like 6 feet tall. There was one little opening I scooted through to pull up the fuel pumps. You see we got the highway plows are out, but they are having a hard time keeping up with this, because it seems like this was a really fast coming storm. It was an overnight storm. It is now 6:15 in the morning, and but yeah. Hey, that's life in Maine, and life is a wild ride, so you just gotta have to take it, go with it, take your time, be careful. Alright, so you can see we're almost there. It's getting lighter out. The road's a little bit better in this area here, but I did go to a really bad area as well. So, anyway, the key to this, like I said, is take your time and leave room for people like that in front of me that wants to get in this lane, which is perfectly fine. Don't follow too close. You need plenty of room to stop. One thing I will say that's part of nice about living in Maine with this kind of weather is the sun is supposed to come out around 8, and you can see everything is covered with white, and until it really warms up, though, that sun really warms, all these trees are going to be covered, and that sun is going to shine through these trees, and it'll be absolutely beautiful. So that's a benefit of living in Maine in the winter. Sometimes you have those really beautiful mornings. I'll try to step out of work when that happens and take a couple pictures and maybe a short video. Sometimes this is what you're dealing with, roads that aren't even plowed. The only part you see open is where tires in front of you have been. So yeah, this road has not even been plowed lately anyways. It goes for this whole area here. You can see it really has not been plowed too much. Oops, sorry about that. Now, the last storm that was on top of that ice, I made this corner, and I actually couldn't make the corner, and I was only going like maybe 3 or 4 miles an hour, and I slid right into this medium, and I really damaged my rim really bad. I'll put that in the picture too. So I took my time this time. There's that medium right there in the middle, and I just started to turn, and the Jeep didn't turn, and I slammed right into it. I haven't changed the wheel yet. It's a brand new wheel too, that's the real bummer. So they haven't even plowed the parking lot here yet, at least not all of it. So I'm gonna have to go through this. I'm in full drive, so we're good. We're gonna park. Oh, we're just sliding here too. Can't even get the corner. We're gonna park right here. Oh, there's the damage from the last storm. It's not too cold in here, but that was our ride in this morning. And everything is white around me because of the snow. But we made it, and we are still 20 minutes early. So just leave early, take your time, be safe, be careful, and don't forget, life is a wild ride. Oh, I wasn't looking at the camera, sorry. Life's a wild ride.